Today's video I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious masala egg fry that to Indian style can be made within 15 to 20 minutes, and the best part is that it can be enjoyed in either breakfast, lunch or dinner. So try out this yummy egg recipe. So you'll love the flavors in this recipe. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this yummy and quick recipe. For this recipe, I'll heat 4 tablespoons of any cooking oil in a fry pan on medium flame, and once the oil is heated, 2 large size of onion. I have literally finely chopped them. This goes in, and on medium flame I need to fry this onions till they turn slightly golden brown. That means the sweetness of the onion will actually impact the taste of this dish. So make sure you fry this till there's a slight golden brown. You can see the pinkish color of these onions are still intact, yet they have started to brown from sides. This is what we want. So these onions are almost 70 to 80% golden fried. At this moment goes ginger. I have grated them around half an inch, and green chili around 3 I have used. Diagonally I have slitted them. Again, it depends upon your taste. Just fry this ginger and green chili with this onions on medium flame, and after 1 minute of sauteing this ginger and green chilies, I'll add medium sized tomatoes too. These are roughly chopped. This goes in, and do not forget to add the tomato juice, and some salt goes in around half teaspoon. These are the juice that I had released from tomatoes, not nothing extra I have added. And now just fry them on medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes, and then garlic cloves I'll add around 8 to 10. These are just slitted, and now I'll cover it without mixing this. What will happen? The rawness of the garlic will be absorbed by the steam, and a very nice peculiar taste will be released. After around 5 to 6 minutes, those have considerably softened. Use a spatula to just smash it, and it will be just in the form of a semi-thick consistency. And now few curry leaves goes in for the typical Indian touch, and you can see as now we'll be continuing this process on medium flame. This tomatoes will gradually release its moisture and juices, and now I have taken 6 boiled and peeled eggs. I have cut into half, and this I'll arrange in a nice circular way. What will happen? The flame is low at this stage while I am arranging this eggs, and gradually the remaining juice of this tomatoes, ginger and garlic with the green chilies will be absorbed by this eggs. 2 pinch of salt I'll sprinkle over this eggs, and coriander powder half teaspoon, roasted cumin and chili powder around half teaspoon goes in, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, and 2 tablespoon water for that extra zing of steam. Now reduce the flame to lowest and let it cover and cook for around more 3 to 4 minutes, or maybe 5 to 6 minutes. And after 5 to 6 minutes, the tomatoes have considerably released the moisture. Everything is nicely cooked, and increase the flame to medium at this stage because we had been cooking it on low flame. That's why the tomatoes have released enough moisture. Now we need this moisture to be dried up, and a beautiful egg should be coated with a nice mash of this tomatoes, onions, ginger and chilies. So on medium flame I'll just flip this eggs carefully, and you can see there is slight coloration of this tomatoes. In this recipe we have not added any turmeric powder. That's the trick in this dish. And I have flipped all the eggs. You can see gradually the juices of tomatoes are evaporating, and it should be nicely roasted in the oil and the spices. So on medium flame I'll just fry it for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll add the star ingredients, that's black pepper powder around half teaspoon, and this will drastically change the flavor. This goes in, and then to it I'll add some chopped cilantro for that classical Indian touch. Some nice chopped cilantro goes on top, and the flame is yet on medium. You can see gradually the juices of tomatoes have literally dried up, and everything has become a nice mashed form. What I wanted to show here is that very typical flavors in this masala fry eggs you can get, and the best part is that I'll just show you. You can see there's absolutely no moisture left here. Everything is wrapped up around the eggs, and that actually imparts a very nice flavor to this nice tawa fried eggs in very less oil. And now, as I said, this is perfect for lunch, dinner or breakfast, and these eggs are done here. You can adjust salt accordingly. Switch off the flame and serve them literally steaming hot. That gives a nice zing to this recipe. Very few ingredients and basic style of cooking, yet the dish turns out to super awesome. And as I said, you can enjoy it in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Packed with protein, this can also be enjoyed with a super nutritious, delicious snack. And yes, it goes best with some garlic bread. Try this out, you will love the recipe. It is one of my favorites, and as I had said earlier, 15 to 20 minutes is max time that is required to make this recipe. And if you have boiled eggs also, that will turn out more easier. Try this out to let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Rita Baik. She writes, "Thank you so much for the awesome recipe. Just now tried it and it came out so perfect and exactly 45 puris." Thank you so much, Rita. She's actually commenting on the recipe of my pani puri. It's a classic, traditional and most popular Indian street style snacks. Try this out, classic pani puri. And I'm so glad that your recipe turned out so well. Thank you so much for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. For today's recipe, that's 15 minutes classic street style masala tawa egg fry. You will love the flavors. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.